Hey guys, welcome back to Happy Home Cooking. I am absolutely obsessed with acai bowls. They are my absolute favorite thing to get when we go to our local juice and smoothie place. So we have started making them at home for our family. These are easy to make. They are super delicious, just like you would get from your favorite juice spot, and they are way cheaper to make yourself. So if you are a huge fan of acai bowls like we are, or maybe you've never tried it and think it just looks delicious, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, and then I'm going to show you how we make our own homemade acai bowls. So the first thing I like to do is prepare our fruit that we're going to be putting on top of our acai bowls. You can use any fruit that you like. Today I'm doing bananas, strawberries, and blackberries. We do blueberries a lot, even peaches. Any kind of fruit is great. Once our fruit toppings are all ready to go, we'll prepare our frozen acai base. We'll start with our acai juice. We get this in a big bottle from Costco. Today I'm making 3 servings, so we will add 1.5 cups of our acai juice, so about half a cup per serving. Next we'll add some plain Greek yogurt. Again, we get this in a big jug at Costco. I like using the plain yogurt because it has very little sugar, and we'll add the sweetness ourselves with some healthier honey. So we'll add 1/3 cup of our plain Greek yogurt, that's about 2 tablespoons per serving. And then to sweeten it up, I like to use raw local honey. Not only do we get to control the amount of sugar we're using this way, but unlike refined sugars, it can also have a lot of health benefits. So we're adding in 3 tablespoons of honey, about 1 tablespoon per serving. And then we'll give this a quick blend, about 30 seconds or so. The honey will blend in much easier before we add our frozen ingredients. Then to finish off our frozen acai blend, we are going to add some frozen berries. You can buy your berries already frozen in a big bag like this at Costco. We're using just strawberries today. This is also very good with mixed berry blends. Whatever you use, we're going to use about 1 pound of our frozen berries. If you're doing individual servings, that comes to about 5 ounces or so per serving. Pop your lid on, give it a blend for about a minute. Your mixture should just barely be able to puree in the blender. If you find it's getting stuck on top, you may want to add a smidge more acai juice. On the other hand, if it seems a bit too liquidy, add a touch more of your frozen berries. When you open it up, you can see it's nicely blended together, but it is thick enough where it's not going to pour out of the blender. So after carefully removing your blender blade, all that's left to do is assemble our bowls. Start with a few scoops of our beautiful acai blend. Sprinkle on some of your favorite granola. When we don't make our own homemade granola, this is our favorite. We love the Nature's Path pumpkin seed and flax. And then top with your desired fruit. Again, today we're doing the bananas, strawberries, and blackberries. Any fruit is great in these. Now this last step is optional, but it does make it oh so extra good. You can give it a nice drizzle of honey to finish it off. And you are ready to grab a spoon and dig into your own homemade acai bowl. Before you go, give us a like if you enjoyed this recipe idea, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our family's favorite recipes. I wish you a wonderful day and happy home cooking!